All right, Levi, I'm making this recipe for you. This is going to be shrimp salad. This is something that my mom would make on special occasions when I was younger, and now that when I visit, she often makes it, and she taught me how to make it so that I can make it anytime I wanted to. Mine is a little different than hers, and I'll tell you the differences as I make it. Let's get started. It has very basic ingredients in it. I like to add the mayonnaise first. And I started out cooking a pound of macaroni, and I cook it al dente. I don't really measure the mayonnaise. I start out with about 4 spoonfuls and then mix it up. And then we're going to add the ingredients. I put the mayonnaise in first just so that when I add all the other ingredients, I'm stirring it at the same time so that it can all get mixed up. And I put 2 pounds of shrimp. My mom usually puts 1 pound of shrimp with 1 pound of macaroni, but I like more shrimp in it. And these are the red Argentine shrimp. You can get them at Sam's Club in a 2 pound bag, and they're already peeled and deveined. All you have to do is boil them. And then we add 1 sweet onion, and it's actually about 3/4 of an onion. I didn't quite chop up 1 whole onion, and also 1 bell pepper. And then the secret to it is you need to add celery seed, and I add quite a bit to it. That makes it taste really good. My mom said that she got this recipe originally at a party, and I may be wrong, she can correct me if I am, at our family's doctor's house, and it had been all shrimp. But when she made it, she didn't want all shrimp. She wanted a filler, so that's when she started putting macaroni in it. And that's what we have today. I put, salt and pepper to taste. It can take quite a bit of salt because there's quite a bit of macaroni and shrimp in it. Celery seed, I put a lot of celery seed, as you can see, in it. And then I just make it to taste. Everything with this is kind of made to taste. You can add and subtract what you want. And when you store it in the refrigerator, when you go to eat it later, you may have to add maybe a little bit more salt and a little bit of mayo to it. Okay. And this is the final product. Get some to taste. Let's see what we need. There we go. Now, I think everything's just right. The salt's good, pepper, and the celery seed is just right. Sometimes, usually I have to add a little bit more celery seed to it because I usually go light, but I went a little heavy this time with the celery seed, so it's just right. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and Levi, I love you and I miss you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.